Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into a topic that affects so many of us: emotional eating. But guess what? There are ways to tackle it, and today, I'll guide you through them step by step. But first, what are the things you'll need to complete this task? For the full list and where to get them, check the description and pinned comment below. Now that you have all your tools and materials ready, let's get into it. Get rid of it! Step 1. Identify your triggers. The first step in stopping emotional eating is to identify what triggers it. Keep a food diary for a week. Write down what you eat, when you eat, and what emotions you're feeling at the time. A study from the International Journal of Behavioral Nutrition and Physical Activity found that self-monitoring through diaries can be a successful behavioral weight management strategy. Step 2. Set a timer. When you feel the urge to eat due to emotions, set a timer for 20 minutes. Use this time to assess whether you're genuinely hungry or just reacting to an emotion. The idea here is to give yourself time to make a conscious decision. This technique is backed by research from the Journal of Consulting and Clinical Psychology. Step 3. Find healthy alternatives. If you still feel the urge to eat after the timer goes off, opt for a healthy snack like fruits or nuts. The American Journal of Clinical Nutrition suggests that foods high in fiber and protein can make you feel fuller and more satisfied. Step 4. Engage in alternative activities. Instead of eating, engage in activities that can help you cope with your emotions. Exercise, read a book, or talk to a friend. A study from the journal Appetite found that engaging in alternative activities can reduce emotional eating. Step 5. Seek support. Sometimes, emotional eating is a sign of deeper emotional issues. Don't hesitate to seek support from friends, family, or even a professional counselor. The Journal of Behavioral Medicine has shown that social support can be crucial in managing emotional eating. Step 6. Make a plan and stick to it. Create a plan using the previous steps and stick to it. Consistency is key. A study from the journal Obesity Reviews emphasizes the importance of long-term behavioral consistency for weight management. So there you have it, folks. A step-by-step guide to help you stop emotional eating. Remember, it's a journey, and it's okay to seek help. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, share it, and leave a comment below. Until next time, take care.